Today, I want to talk about a man who changed the world, even just many people don't know his name. His name is Roger Alston, and he was the main inventor of the GPS global positioning system. GPS is the technology that helps us know where we are anywhere on Earth. Roger Alston was born 1921, Vermont, USA. He studied physics and later worked at U.S. Naval Research Laboratory. At that time, the world was really interested in space observatory. Alston has dreamed we was to use satellites not just for the military, but to help people find their position anywhere in the world. He was right. Today, we use GPS every day. It helps drivers find infected roads. It airplanes and ships across the world. It helps rescue teams save people in danger. Scientists also use GPS to study the Earth, such tactics, earthquakes, weather, and even animal movement. In 2004, Roger Alston recognized the national media through technology from the President of the United States. But the real peace in the billions of people use invention every day. Without him, traveling and communication will be much harder. Roger Alston passed away in 2014, but his work lives on. Every time we open Google Maps, order food delivery, or share location with friends, we are using his idea. Ladies and gentlemen, the story of Roger Alston teaches us something important. One person's idea can help the world. His vision, hard work, and belief in science made life easier and faster for all of us. So next time you use GPS, remember the man who created it. Thank you.